Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. It is your boy checking in. Today I got a product review. Of this focus. For all y'all that can't see, that say Kriss EX2 in 10mm. There you go. But anyway, I'm doing a product review. But ultimately, I got a mag review on this product right here. Now, it was a factory Glock magazine plus this product, but more of that incoming. I'm also gonna be comparing this one to the factory Glock OEM 33 rounder. Now this is only a 9mm. But at the same time, a lot of people say extended mag reliability. I ain't ever had a problem with this. Been having this for about 2 years, ain't ever had a problem with it. So we also gonna compare reliability versus reliability. I do expect for this one to jam up like once or twice because shit, the other reviews on the market. However, I expect for it to be a simple fix. So like I said, I'm looking forward to a jam. How can you say that? I'm looking forward to it because that's what the other reviews are. I also am certain that this is a quality product. Just looking at it, feeling it, this is a quality product. Haven't shot it yet, but y'all gonna see, y'all gonna be with me.
So let's get it going. Uh-oh, they banging already. They busting already. But the moment of truth. I got the factory Glock magazine, 33 rounder. I got the Kriss 10mm, 10 mil Kriss. Glock 20, focus up. Glock 17, Gen 4. So first, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna start by shooting this factory. We're shooting the factory Glock magazine because this is the reliable. I know it worked. Then I'm gonna run it back with this. Now again, I'm expecting for this to jam. I don't like that router. They shooting, but I don't like that router. But anyway, I'm expecting it to jam. So just in case this do jam, I got a factory Glock 15 rounder ready to go. Now one thing. I will be using the 9mm, this Buffalo BCC, this double tap. That's usually what I carry in the 10mm. But today for the 10mm, I got something special for y'all. I got the suspect ammo. This is suspect ammo. Suspect hollow points. They real suspect. But shouts out to my boy. You know who you is. Shouts out to my plug. My boy that showed me love on this. They suspect, but I think they gonna be hot. But got the 2 magazines. Just in case this jam, I don't know if it's gonna be because of the magazine or because of the ammo. I think these are reloads. I have no idea where these are, but if y'all know what these 10mm hollow points are, let me know. Let me know if y'all know if that's a reload or something fresh. But anyway, I know that's the double tap. But there go that Glock 20. Glock 17. This one coming first. Like I said, this the 9mm first, followed by the Kriss Vector. And if we have issues, I'm gonna try to get all 15 rounds out. All right, so first up, again, we got the 9mm Glock 17. Just to show y'all it's working, it's reliable. Not a flaw. Not a single flaw as expected.
Wow. That is something serious. Yes.
Not a moment of truth. The real moment of truth. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. Look at the hole in the paper. Look at the hole in the paper. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. My guy, look at the hole in the paper. look at the man's chest. Hey, not a single shot missed. Out of the 60. Nintendo 64. Out of the 64 shots. Not a one miss. Not a one miss. Y'all saw the recoil too. Shouts out to the suspect ammo. The suspect ammo did everything great. But look at the holes, man. Look. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I don't think I need no commentary. I think everything spoke for itself. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Y'all saw a lot. This is my first time shooting it. Old reliable. New reliable. Let's get it. 9, 10 for the win. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, this 10 mil nasty, dog. This 10 mil nasty, dog. I didn't even have to make it to the last spare mag. This was just in case. Great. We good. We in the dope. And just in case y'all was wondering, I do have a dovetail on there. That is the dovetail. But great. These ones do have the night sight plus the custom. But y'all, but great. Yeah.
Ooh, that joint nice though. Ain't it? Ain't she purty? Ain't she purty? Ain't she purty? She purty. She purty. And this is unloaded, by the way. This is unloaded all the way. We have a winner. This product right here, this Mag EX2, it is official. I don't have anything else to say besides this is an amazing product. Absolute 10 out of 10. Now the videos y'all saw, you probably saw some hesitation. That hesitation was all on me. It was not on the product. It wasn't on that first 9mm magazine. It wasn't on this. This is amazing. I'm gonna say it operated just as smooth as the factory 9mm. So this is great. If you had any doubts, any questions about this, it gets my certified stamp. You guys saw it. Y'all saw it in almost real time. Just about. So thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna have some fun with this. I should have another video about the assembly process. Go ahead and check it out. If y'all have any questions, just hit me up. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on the comment section. Also, follow me down below. Y'all see the IG. Hit me up on IG. I cannot say it enough. This was great. Again, the video y'all saw was not an accuracy review. It wasn't a Glock 20 review. It wasn't even a 10mm review. Even though the 10mm is great, the Glock accuracy was great. And hey, it was all a review on this Mag EX2, and the Mag EX2 worked. It worked. This came. It's a separate piece. This magazine and this comes separate. You can buy you can buy a piece where it's already combined, but I bought mine separate. This was the kit. I did purchase the kit. So this came separate, but I installed it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dump that. I'm gonna do a quick mag dump as fast as I can. Get ignorant real. One time. All right, buddies. I'm not gonna go too fast, but this is loaded. It is one up top, and here we go.
Scared you? Yes! Oh my god! What was that? It's a 10mm.